Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Accumulation and Momentum Data Analysis for 24th of July. Today was quite a dull day, to be honest. The market continuously kept falling to end at the lowest point of the day, right? Even companies that reported pretty strong earnings, especially in the IT pack like Persistent, Coforge, they were also hammered quite a bit, right? And we kind of ended the day near the lows. It can also be the expiry play now that Jane Street is kind of back. With the SEBI permission. So probably what they are doing is kind of pushing the market up one day prior to the expiry or pushing it down and then on the expiry doing the opposite of that, right? So but the majority of the pain was in the broader market, especially the small and the mid cap. So we'll look at that as well as some good news that kind of help the market today. So the good news was that India and UK finally they have signed the agreement. So what does this do? So few of the things get cheaper whichever we are importing, like the scotch and all, EVs, cosmetics and all of that. And also, a lot of Indian companies are going to benefit because now earlier there was some 10% kind of tariffs. Now that has become zero. So it has become level playing field with our neighboring countries like Bangladesh and all, especially for textiles. So the sectors that are going to improve or let's say benefit from this are electronics, textiles, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, toys, and gems and jewelry. So these sectors in India are going to benefit because of this. And also similarly, because of cheaper scotch coming in, maybe a little of these uh, Indian manufactured foreign liquor, those companies, IMFL guys, those guys might be a little bit under pressure because of this. Because if scotch becomes cheaper, these guys can't really keep the rates at a much higher level, right? So even products like EVs, right, and cosmetics, those companies might be under a little bit of pressure, but net India should benefit from this, the India UK free trade agreement. There are talks of even free trade agreement happening with Europe as well within this particular year. So let's see, whenever that happens, these sectors should definitely benefit from it. So this is one good news that is there, although the uncertainty on the India-US tariff still persists. But the signing of this one is definitely a positive. Now coming to the accumulation data, the large caps remained sideways in the sense the accumulation and also the momentum. Like I said yesterday, in yesterday's session, the video I told about how one day of up move is not really convincing for us to know that we are going to move ahead. So again, we have gone even lower than what was there on Tuesday. Now, coming to the mid-cap accumulation, it kind of remained flat, no real deterioration in the mid-cap accumulation. However, the mid-cap momentum continues to slow down, right? So there is no signs of real bottom being made as of now. Now, coming to the small cap accumulation, second day of slowing down in accumulation, that is the fresh money kind of coming into the small cap stocks has gone even lower, right? And then the small cap momentum, again, there is a deterioration. It has fallen even further, right? So chances are, until and unless we see 2 days of up move in this momentum chart, it is doubtful that the small cap is going to turn around, right? So net, the market continues to be in a range, and there is some selling pressure. You look at the FIs; they're continuously selling each and every day. So the market continues to be range bound and under pressure. So until the momentum improves, even the short-term trades are not going to really work out because there is no real momentum that is pushing it higher. So let's see. Hopefully tomorrow, usually Fridays are kind of bad for the market, especially the broader market. Let's see if we kind of turn around tomorrow, right? Very little chance, but you can never be sure about the markets. Hope this helps. Thank you.